Hello everyone, welcome back to Evergreen Tech Tips. Today we are going to walk you through the process of signing up for a JPMorgan Chase account. Whether you are looking to open a checking or savings account, we have got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, why choose JPMorgan Chase? Chase offers a wide range of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment options. Plus, with their extensive network of ATMs and branches, managing your finances is super convenient. Before we dive into the sign up process, make sure you have the following information handy. 1. Your social security number SSN. 2. A valid government issued ID like a driver's license or passport. 3. Your contact information, address, phone number, and email. 4. Initial deposit amount if required. Alright, let's head over to the Chase website. Open a browser and type in chase.com. Once you are on the home page, look for the Open an account button. Click on it to get started. Chase offers several types of account. For this tutorial, we'll focus on opening a checking account. Select checking accounts and then choose the specific type of checking account that suits your needs. Chase Total Checking is a popular option for everyday banking. Now, you will need to fill out the application form. Enter your personal information including your name, address, and SSN. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any issues later on. Next, you will need to verify your identity. Upload a clear photo of your government issued ID. Chase may also ask you to answer some security questions based on your credit history. Once your identity is verified, it's time to fund your new account. You can do this by transferring money from another bank account or by making an initial deposit using a debit card. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete this step. Before you submit your application, renew all the information you have entered. Make sure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, click on the Submit button. Congratulations, you have successfully signed up for a JPMorgan Chase account. You will receive a confirmation email with your account details. You can now start using your new Chase account for all your banking needs. That's it for today's tutorial on how to sign up for a JPMorgan Chase account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Evergreen Tech Tips for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.